Hey, what up, guys? We are back, guys. We are back, and I hope y'all are doing good. I hope y'all are doing good, guys. As for me, I'm doing good, guys. Um, so guys, here, we are doing something different this time. We're not doing a day in a vlog, day in a life. We are doing something different, So I just wanted to challenge myself, just to get out of my comfort zone, Try something new, something I'll put my mind at it, just to focus on it, just to build from it. You know what I'm saying? So I decided to challenge myself, whereby on the upcoming week I'll be funding a $10 to grow it to $200. Then from then I can purchase myself a 25k prop firm account, which is worth around $135. So that's the plan. Yeah, to grow a $10 account to $200. Then from then I can purchase myself a prop firm account. Yeah, that's the plan, guys. That's what we are going with. Yeah, I'll show you when I'm funding on the next video, guys. So stay tuned. This is just an intro of the $10 to $200. Yeah, so I'm expecting to do this challenge for at least a month. Yeah, I'm expecting to do this challenge in a month. Yeah, a month. So yeah, stay with me, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and comment. Yeah, let's go.